Hello everyone. I wanted to take a moment and provide a quick update on COVID-19 at Modoc Medical Center. We continue to be COVID-19 free in Modoc County. Earlier this week there was talk in the community that we had a possible positive COVID-19 case. We've received testing back on that patient and it did come back as negative. At Modoc Medical Center, we continue to screen patients at our entryway to the hospital, and we continue to make pre-screening phone calls prior to any outpatient services being provided, such as clinic visits and physical therapy visits. We have finalized our written surge plan, which will dictate how we respond to an influx of patients that have symptoms consistent with COVID-19 that need to be taken care of all at once. We also continue to stock up on personal protective equipment at this time so that we have sufficient supplies to protect our staff members and members of the community as this pandemic continues to progress in our county and in our region. In addition to these efforts, we're currently working on plans to expand testing for COVID-19 to more community members and staff. Those plans should be in place by next week. We're also currently working on a reopening plan for Modoc Medical Center. This plan will be based on recommendations made by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and by those recommendations made by the California Department of Public Health. We anticipate that this plan will be finalized by the middle of next week and will guide us as we attempt to start providing non-essential medical services again in the county. In the meantime, we're going to continue to operate the same that we have the past few weeks, which means that visitation at the skilled nursing facility will remain restricted at this time. Visitation in the hospital will remain limited at this time. We will keep you updated on any operational changes that will be made in coming weeks after the reopening plan for Modoc Medical Center is finalized by our team. As a follow-up to the last video sent out, our incident management team has also decided not to pursue antibody testing within the community at this time. This decision was made after researching antibody testing and the accuracy of current testing methodologies, along with the potential for false positive and false negative antibody testing results. We'll continue to monitor this information, and as the knowledge base or testing improves with antibody testing, we will consider doing this at a later date. As the county reopens, we encourage you all to continue to practice social distancing, good hand hygiene, and to comply with the other recommendations of our public health department and with the reopening letter that the Modoc County has issued as well. If you're elderly or immunocompromised, please stay at home as much as possible. If you need medical attention, we are here to help and happy to do that. In closing, I just want to take a moment to thank the community members again for the support that we have felt throughout this incident. It has certainly helped our staff to navigate this incident and help keep the morale up in our organization as well. And we just really appreciate that support from you all. We'll continue to keep you updated as operations here at Modoc Medical Center change related to this incident. Thank you.